Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwats, and in today's video, I am going to tell you how to remove formatting from your Gmail account while typing or composing your email. Now, let's move forward and talk about the points to be discussed in today's video. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to remove formatting while composing your mail, which data you have copied from certain sites that have the formatting of particular that site or particular that Word file. After that, we will tell you how to copy something from different site and change the formatting in Gmail. And in the third and the end component of our video, we will talk about the keyboard shortcut for this process. Now let's move forward into our Gmail account and see how does all these thing works. Now we are in our Gmail account. So what is the thing we want to do? That we want to compose a mail. Like first of all, click here, and this is how you compose a mail. And in here, you want to write something or copy something from the site. Now let's open Fortran site itself, fortran.com. So this is our basic site. So I want to copy this thing, like this thing from here and want to compose into mail. Just click on Control C. After that, we will just click here and click on Control V. Now you see the formatting of the site has been copied in our email. Now I do not want that formatting. I want this to be normal. How can I do that? So for that, you just have to click on Control A. So after selecting everything using Control A option, you will go into formatting options. In a formatting options, you will see something like this. You can directly change from here, but it will be a cumbersome work and take a lot of your time. But it will be easy for you if you just go into more options. In a more options, there is an option that is remove formatting, and it also has a shortcut that is Control backslash. So when I click in here, you will see your formatting has been removed. If I again go into Fortran.com site and we'll see something for the office and for other things also, you can click here and you want to copy these things and you want to just like I want to copy this. Why should you think about deploying Microsoft Exchange? I want to copy this. You can see there are a lot of formatting. There are bulletin within this, and I want to remove the formatting in my composed mail only. And this is possible while composing a mail. So how can you do that? First of all, we will Control A and delete. Again, we will Control V and paste everything. Now you see everything has been copied while using the formatting of the site of the Fortran.com. So again we will go into our email, into our compose. Again we will click on Control A. After that we again go into the formatting options, or you can use the shortcut key which is Control and backslash, or you can click on remove formatting options. When I click on it, you will see everything has been removed. Doesn't matter there are bullets, doesn't matter anything. Everything has been removed and the formatting go to the basic level that you are actually using in your Gmail. And this is one of the most important feature and one of the most unknown feature of the Gmail, which has not been explored by many persons yet, but it is something that if you know, it will make your work very easy. So with this point, I am going to end this video and I hope your queries have been cleared, and if not, kindly write us in comment section and we will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.